Hey guys, I'm Nathan Prather, and today on Astronomy 360 we're going to be talking about the top space events of 2017. Number one for most people is definitely the total solar eclipse on August 21st, since it was the first to go totally across only the U.S. since 1776. That's 200 plus years. So I got to view it at our house, and I was in school for some of it, but I got to view most of it. It was about 75% covered from where I viewed the moon covered the sun, 75%. So, and my brother and I used solar eclipse viewing glasses to view the eclipse, and us viewing it. Okay, and next the gravitational waves were discovered for the first time. Those have been theoretized for some time, but we haven't actually ever detected them. Astronomers detected them when some black hole detectors, they detected black holes, and that's what has been determined produce the gravitational waves when two black holes collide or come close enough to impact one another. So that was definitely profound. The next one, the first interstellar space object was detected coming into our solar system. It was first thought that it was a comet, but it was later determined to be an asteroid because there was no coma or tail. It was an asteroid. It was actually an exceptionally wide, flat asteroid. It's actually supposed, according to astronomers, to have been orbiting near our solar system for billions of years and only come into our solar system now because it probably originated incredibly far away from here. And so that was groundbreaking because it's the first time that a space rock has ever come into our solar system from another solar system. Let me see other ones. There was also a neutron star collision. This actually happened 130 million years ago, 130 million light years away. Two neutron stars collided. But we could only see it now since it was 130 million light years away, and light only travels so far in a year. A light year is 5.9 trillion miles, I believe. So that's a lot of miles. And so, yeah, it took all that time. But they collided in such a way, those two neutron stars, that they created elements such as gold, and astronomers think that gold could have traveled to Earth, so gold we find here maybe could have been from neutron stars colliding, maybe. There's no actual proof of that, but we may find other proof of that. Another one, NASA's spacecraft Juno arrived at Jupiter and made some very intriguing discoveries about stuff like the aurora on Jupiter, which are like our northern and southern lights on Earth. It's caused with Earth, Jupiter's magnetic field, which actually extends incredibly far out from Jupiter. But unlike with Earth, it has to travel through the magnetic field. But with Jupiter, it produces its own magnetic field with the electromagnetic particles emanating from Jupiter. They actually go exceptionally deep into the atmosphere. So Juno made some really intriguing discoveries. So that's definitely a top one. Also, another big area that has seen a lot of development in 2017 is space exploration. We've had a lot of groundbreaking missions. Again, Juno went to Jupiter, and another groundbreaking aspect of that is its power system. This is the first time that NASA has used solar panels in a spacecraft to go beyond Mars. It went from Earth, past Mars, to Jupiter. And so that's considerably farther than Mars is from Earth. So that was groundbreaking because usually what they use are radioisotope batteries. They're nuclear devices. The issue with those is radiation and whatnot if they crash. So that's definitely a development. Also, NASA launched a spacecraft called Dawn. It is orbiting the dwarf planet / asteroid called Ceres. It detected organic compounds on Ceres, and organic compounds have to do with life. I don't know. I don't think that's gone anywhere. The latest I've heard is that they found those. Who knows if they'll ever find truly signs of life. Let me see. Yeah, and SpaceX has actually been doing a lot more with reusable rockets ever since their first Falcon 9 landed in December 2016. It's kind of interesting that Blue Origin, which is one of their competitors, they were actually the first, not SpaceX. Blue Origin was the first to land a reusable rocket. They did it a few times, and nothing much has come with that. They haven't really done anything more, but SpaceX has landed, I think about a dozen or so reusable Falcon 9 boosters. They're working on getting the full Falcon 9 reusable. I guess Elon Musk is now saying that they'll do that by sometime in 2018 or early 2019. So that's noteworthy. Not much else. There's stuff to look forward to in 2018 with more space exploration missions and other things, and I can get into that in another video, hopefully. But for now, this has been the top space stories of 2017.